Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving into the small space gardening area design and tips how to transform a backyard small space into a thriving outdoor garden. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In today's fast-paced urban lifestyle, finding space for a garden can be a challenge. However, with a little creativity and planning, even the smallest space can be transformed into a thriving oasis. Small space gardening has gained popularity in recent years as people seek to connect with nature and enjoy the benefits of homegrown produce, even in limited areas. Small space gardening refers to the practice of cultivating plants in a limited area. This can include balconies, patios, rooftops, windowsills, or even indoor spaces. The key is to maximize the available space and choose plants that are suitable for smaller containers. Here are some of the benefits of small space gardening. First, fresh, organic produce. Growing your own fruits and vegetables ensures a supply of fresh, organic food. Second, improved air quality. Plants help purify the air by absorbing pollutants and releasing oxygen. Third, stress reduction. Gardening can be a therapeutic activity that helps reduce stress and anxiety. Fourth, enhanced curb appeal. A well-maintained garden can significantly improve the appearance of your home. Fifth, sense of accomplishment. Watching plants grow and flourish can provide a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. Decorating your small space garden can be a fun and creative process. Here are some tips to help you create a visually appealing and functional space. First, choose a theme. Decide on a theme for your garden, such as a herb garden, a vegetable patch, or a floral display. Second, use containers. Incorporate a variety of containers, such as pots, planters, and hanging baskets, to add interest and texture. Third, add accessories. Enhance the look of your garden with accessories like garden ornaments, wind chimes, or bird feeders. Fourth, consider lighting. Install outdoor lighting to create a cozy ambience and extend your enjoyment of your garden. Fifth, play with colors. Choose plants with complementary colors to create a visually stunning display. As part of the small garden decor, just be careful when selecting plants for your small space garden. Consider factors such as sunlight, water requirements, and the overall aesthetic you desire. Here are some popular choices for small spaces. 1. Herbs. Basil, parsley, rosemary, thyme, mint. 2. Vegetables. Tomatoes, peppers, lettuce, spinach, radishes. 3. Flowers. Petunias, marigolds, pansies, impatiens, geraniums. 4. Succulents. Aloe vera, echeveria, jade plant. 5. Vines. Climbing ivy, jasmine, morning glory. And to complete your inspiration, here the compilation of the top 10 best small space gardening ideas. 1. Vertical garden. Utilize walls, fences, or trellises to create a vertical garden. This is an excellent way to maximize space in small areas. Use hanging planters, pockets, or grow bags to support plants. 2. Container gardening. Grow plants in various containers, such as pots, buckets, or repurposed items. Containers offer flexibility and allow you to easily move plants around. Consider the size and drainage of the container when choosing plants. 3. Herb spiral. Build a spiral-shaped garden bed to maximize space and create a visually interesting display. Herbs with varying sunlight requirements can be planted at different levels of the spiral. 4. Raised beds. Construct raised beds using wood, bricks, or other materials. This can improve soil drainage, prevent weeds, and make gardening easier on your back. Raised beds are ideal for small spaces and can be customized to fit your needs. 5. Window box garden. Grow plants in window boxes for a colorful and fragrant display. Choose plants that thrive in bright, indirect sunlight, such as herbs, flowers, or succulents. 6. Rooftop garden. Transform your rooftop into a green oasis by creating a rooftop garden. Consider the weight capacity of your roof and choose plants that can tolerate wind and temperature fluctuations. 7. Indoor herb garden. Grow fresh herbs indoors on a sunny windowsill. Herbs like basil, parsley, and mint can be easily grown in pots and add flavor to your cooking. 8. Bonsai garden. Cultivate miniature trees and shrubs in bonsai pots. Bonsai gardening requires patience and attention to detail, but it can create a unique and beautiful focal point in your small space. 9. Fairy garden. Create a whimsical and enchanting garden filled with tiny plants, miniature figurines, and decorative elements. Fairy gardens can be built indoors or outdoors, and they are a fun and creative project for all ages. 10. Community garden. Join a community garden to connect with other gardening enthusiasts and share knowledge. Community gardens often have shared tools and resources, and they can be a great way to meet new people and learn about sustainable gardening practices. Small space gardening offers a rewarding and sustainable way to enjoy the benefits of nature, even in limited areas. By following these tips and incorporating your own creativity, you can create a beautiful and productive garden that enhances your quality of life. Ready to start your own small space gardening adventure? Visit our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more inspiration and tutorials on creating stunning garden spaces. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.